You won't believe how insanely efficient the Guangzhou Metro is. Stations linking you to all key points across the city, from airports to national railway stations. Even connections city to city using metro stations. Spotless trains, cool AC, signs in English and Chinese. However, the question is, have you prepared? The real headache is the 2 feet between you and the turnstile, because Guangzhou's payment system operates fully on local apps. It's hard being someone standing at the ticket machine with cards in hand and no one that speaks English to help. In this video, I'll hand you the exact playbook. What to tap, what to skip, how to never hear that awful rejected beep at the entrance. Stick around until the end for the best recommendations from our years of metro travel. Guangzhou Metro has upgraded to support Visa, Mastercard and JCB. Even though they are supported, there are stations where they are not. As such, navigating can be challenging. If it is your first time, we recommend you stick to the options below to make your transit simple. Let's start with the Yang Cheng Tong reloadable transit card. This is a cash card. You pay with cash and it works like cash on the metro. You can buy it at any 7-Eleven store in China. And there are hundreds. You walk in, ask for a Yang Cheng Tong card. The card itself costs about 20 RMB. Then you need to load credit on top. Some 7-Elevens preload cards for you, 50 RMB or a total of 100 RMB. Perfect for hitting the ground running. So if you're topping up, any 7-Eleven, you can just hand them your card and say, add 50 RMB. You're done, reloaded. Next, we move to cash tokens from the machine. Yes, it works. Yes, it's slower. The machines only accept smaller bills and coins, so don't use any big notes. Hit English on the screen, pick your destination station, and feed the cash into the machine. Out pops a token. Works fine when the station is empty. But at 8 AM or 6 PM, it feels like you're the one person holding up the universe. So use this as your last resort. Alipay or WeChat QR codes. These require setup. So please note, you need a Chinese SIM card before you will be able to use the Alipay or WeChat mini programs for the metro stations. Now ensure you set that up first. Let's start with Alipay. Open the app, press Transport, and select Bus Metro. Then select Metro. The app will auto-populate your location, so ensure location sharing is active on your device. Then read the top of the transport screen to confirm. This will show which metro station is using a QR code for, in English. Done. Now show the QR code to the small screen at the metro turnstile and you're in. Please note, setting up Alipay with an international card can be challenging. If you have not set up the card before, we don't recommend you do it standing at the turnstile gate. Let's move to WeChat. For WeChat, swipe down on the main screen and select the search magnifying glass. Then type Metro and the area, for example, Guangzhou Metro. Select the icon that matches your subway. This works on every single gate in the whole network, no exceptions. Here is our metro options list. Have your weapon ready. Don't be that person digging through the bag while the gate stares at you. If you're using a foreign card, keep it in hand. Contactless and symbol up, but remember, not all stations support this card. The QR codes. Open the QR on your phone, brightness level maxed, QR ready. If you're using the Yang Cheng Tong card, keep it in your hand, ready to tap. And if you're using the cash token, keep it in your hand for the hole punch and slot it in, slide forward. Next, tap, scan or insert where needed, then wait 1 beat. Now this is where most people mess up. They tap and immediately shove through. Instead, tap your card, or scan your code or use the token. Then wait for the green arrow. You will hear one clear beep. The gate will open half a second later. Don't force it. Let the machine work. Now walk through at a normal pace. Finally, when you exit, you use the same method as you did when you entered. On your way out of the system, you'll do the exact same thing. Before you go, the key information given in this video has been so useful to us. That's why we're giving it to you. But there was one other vital question we needed to address. So watch this video to see how simple it was.